Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. Today it's challenge lock day as it's Wednesday and we've got this in the vise. It is Peter Parker, done by our good friend Steel Pinnings. Turn it over. There we go. Spider-Man, Peter Parker. There's the bitting. It's quite a nice bitting that. Oh, and we work very smooth. But before we do, if you're interested in lock sport, you want to get involved, please check out the description. I'll put all the names and stuff in there. If you like to see my channel, you want to see some more, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon. As make 2-3 videos per week, from picking locks to challenge locks to lock tutorials to all type of lock stuff related stuff. Really, you know what I mean? Oh, before we do though, I do have a little appeal. If I've made around about 75 to 80 challenge locks since I started. It's not lots, but I've hardly seen any of them these days. So I don't know if they've been people's drawers or they just forgot about them. But if you're not using them, or send them on. Let them get out there some more. Now they shouldn't be naughty buckets because I don't generally make really hard challenge locks. I'd rather them just be fun with good feedback. But if anybody's got any, please let me know or get them sent on, please, if you don't mind. Right, let's see if we can get this picked. Use a pry bar, top of the keyway, and we're going to use a Trickmaster hook. I use this most of the time in American locks. Even though I've got all my other very nice picks, they work for padlocks and certain other things. This one generally is a really good all-rounder that I got off Trickmaster 30. I think it's because it's got a really nice long reach. Oh. Let's just go for a reset there. I'll click on that, down the front. Oh, number 3 gave me a little bit, that was number 4. Gave me a little bit of the turn of the core. That was a click on 1. Click on 2. Oh, let's click on 4 again, sorry. Don't know why I said 2. One second. Still got this bloody cold. It's going, just irritating. Oh, got another click there. Definitely going in the right direction. Oh, let's try clockwise. Oh, a nice vault set there again. Click on 1. think I've overset something again. Oh, definitely have to give myself cramp doing it clockwise. Do you know what? Let's try deeper hook. Poppy keys, deeper hook. Oh, then we got a little bit of a false set going. Definitely get some very nice clicks now. Great feedback on it. There's one of these pins. One is lying. I keep oversetting it accidental. Get a little bit a counter then. Oh, and there we go, we're open. It was number 4. Oh, I didn't think I was going to be opening it then for a second. But we won. Let's get the pinning tray out. Bring this light in a bit more. Yeah, so I hope everybody's doing okay today. It is 11:10 on Wednesday morning. Getting a bit of peace time before my daughter decides to go wild, like she likes to do at certain times in the morning. I need to buy some more shoes. I'm getting old though, these. That one I'll do. Right, better keep. I'm having more trouble picking this gym up. That shim is giving me some grief. Got tight fitting in there, but hopefully that's it. I need the other follower. I need this one, which is stuck. Does get stuck now and again. Almost about to cut my nails, so I've got no nails at the moment. Well, not like I usually would have. So we've got this slightly turned to the side because we don't want to catch anything. That fits on the back nice and smooth. Let's see if we can get this all the way through with no troubles. Yes, done it. And here we go. Well, as you can see, everything needs picking. Slightly serrated on 1. Some very nice serration on 2. Nice serrations on 3. And serrations on 4 and 5. Let's see if there's anything done to this colour. Smooth, 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 and smooth. No work's been done to that. Get rid of this shim. Let's see what we've got going on in here. Yeah, that light over here a bit. Very nice serrated. Steel spring. Very long copper spring. Wow. So I'm having a problem with the spring. There we go. It was just refusing to leave the premises. We'll go this way through that one. That's the way it goes like that. Let's grab the spring. There we go. And all done. So look. Nope, no work's been done inside there. Let's check out these pins. So let's see. In 1 we've got really nice serrated one, and in 2 very deep, small, tight serration. We've got deep and then 2 shallow serrations. Very nice. It's like a mushroom they spooled at the top, and then we've got a bit like a spooled and then tapered at the end, keeping. Very nice serrated and spooled driver. Same with this one. It's a bit like a spool. Got some nice serrations, very nice serrations, and then it tapers off at the end a little bit. We've got a very nice spool, serrated, a bit like a mushroom at the end, and then we've got a very nice set of serrations there, fairly deep. Can I pick them up? No, you can tell when they're deep, you can pick them up. Yep, there we go. And we've got a steel, copper, copper, steel, and copper, and they're all different sizes and different springs. Absolutely great job with that, my friend. Steel pinnings, mate. Also, quickly, just to put on it, Gazar, is it lever lock, mate? It's in here. Just got to send it off to you, mate. But yeah, that was an absolutely cool lock. Absolutely awesome feedback. That's going in Mr. Matt's parcel. That's almost complete. I think I got one more lock to go in, and then we're all done. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and bye. Don't forget to like.